These instruments are the main products of Tektronix. This is a cathode ray oscilloscope, a precision electronic measuring instrument which is capable of measuring events which happen in a small fraction of a second. An oscilloscope has three important sections: a cathode ray tube on which the graph is displayed, a vertical amplifier which allows the cathode ray tube to show the amount or quantity of the event being measured, and the time base which provides the horizontal or time information for a graph. As you can see, the face of the cathode ray tube is divided into equal parts to make easy measurements of horizontal and vertical motion. The time base in the oscilloscope causes a dot of light to move horizontally across the screen at a definite rate. Now, this motion can take from several seconds per division to a small fraction of a second, depending on the setting of the time per division control. Now, this motion provides the horizontal axis for the graph. The vertical amplifier causes the spot of light to move up and down with variations in the input signal applied to the oscilloscope. Because the oscilloscope responds only to electrical signals, any event which we wish to measure must first be changed into an electrical signal. Sound frequency and volume can be measured on an oscilloscope by using a microphone as a transducer. Notice that the height of the oscilloscope trace is proportional to the loudness of the sound. Research of audio frequency signals in a magnetic environment is aided by the use of a storage oscilloscope. Storage is a means of recording an event that happens only once and thus can be studied again and again. Electronic computers depend on precision timing of electrical impulses to make the equipment function properly. The oscilloscope, because of its ability to measure electronic signals, gives the computer technician accurate information for maintaining or troubleshooting computers. The small portable oscilloscopes, because of their size, can be used in very limited spaces. A typical application would be a telephone office. This man is troubleshooting a call distribution mainframe. Signals are easily accessible with this handheld portable. Many functions of the human body, such as pulse, brain waves, and nerve impulses, are actually measurable as electrical signals. And these functions can be displayed on an oscilloscope to aid doctors and medical researchers in diagnosis and treatment of problems. Television transmissions consist of electrical signals produced by the television cameras. Now, these signals are constantly monitored using specialized oscilloscopes to assure the quality of the transmitted picture. In addition, oscilloscopes are used as an aid in repairing and calibrating defective equipment to assure constant quality. Tektronix also produces a line of versatile computer terminals and information display units. These devices provide a means of communicating with a computer and displaying the output information on a unique cathode ray tube. Paper copies of this information can be obtained from from our hard copy unit at the press of a button. Our automated system is a variation in our product line. Most people think of Tektronix in terms of oscilloscopes. This is not quite true. These systems have had excellent market acceptance. They're generally used to check integrated circuits, which is shown here. They may also be used for checking other solid-state devices. Desktop programmable calculators, which feature ease of operation and extreme versatility, are another recent addition to our widely diversified product line. The Tektronix J16 is a portable digital photometer radiometer capable of making a wide variety of light measurements in the laboratory or out in the field. This, then, is Tektronix, a worldwide corporation manufacturing and distributing high-quality products, a company devoted to excellence in performance and attainment of high technical and personnel standards of operation and reliability.